Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am a little late, and if you hear I am just in my mic to my computer, which I should have done at the very beginning, but things happen. So, welcome back to my channel. Smile for me. So today I am going to show you guys how to create a journal cover in Over. So, the initial name for the app is I believe Made with Over, and they do have a phone app as well. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that on desktop. And of course, I'm gonna kind of stick with the 6x9 and the 120 pages just because it's easy and I know the dimensions kind of by heart at this point. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to show you guys how to use different platforms, creating journal covers and t-shirts. So I'm excited to get into this video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Leave a comment, question, or concerns down below, and I'll try my best to get back to you guys. Thanks. That sounded like a voicemail. So when you log into Over, this is the screen that you will see. I am logged in under my Gmail account, and here you can click new project to create there, or you can start a new project from right here. You see I've done a few things in here before. Most of the times I use Over to resize all over prints for Redbubble. So these are some customized templates here, and you can click the see all to see all things, but we're going to go ahead and start from scratch. I'm going to hit start new project, and I am going to make sure I change my canvas size. I believe these are in pixels, so I'm going to go ahead and put in the pixels for the 6x9, which is 3756 by 2775. Okay, so right now you see that you can't really see much of the screen, so we're going to go ahead and hit this button down until we can see the screen. Well, that's a little bit too far, but let's go. So I'm going to go ahead and change find a background color, not cover. So I think we're going to stick with like the Valentine's Day theme. I really like that. So I'm going to close this. So now that you guys, I can see my full cover here, and I'm going to look for images. So I'm going to look for love themes. So these are images. I should have gone to graphics. So I'm going to choose the word love, and let's see what we can find here. Okay. So they do have like pro graphics, and then I see they have free graphics. I don't believe I have the pro account. So I like this. It says True Love. I'm going to go ahead and scale this down some. And then I'm going to bring this over here. Also, let's go over to shape. Maybe I'm looking for a line, so I'll just go back to graphic. And note that I've never made a cover here before, so you guys are getting it kind of just like kind of just like off the dome. I have never done it in okay, I hit something that said pro, so that came up. I've never done a cover in Over, so anything that says pro, of course, is going to have you to sign up. So I'm looking for something. Nope, that's not it, but that's very cute. Something just like a line or something. But you know what? Actually, I could use a shape. Let's see. Why is the shape a pro account? Jeez. Let me just do a letter. Yes, I am having all the issues. So what I'm trying to do is find the middle. So I just found the middle with that. So I'm going to see if I can bring this down to there. So I hit fit, and that's at 19%, so I can see the whole screen. So I'm going to bring this True Love right here. I'm going to look for some more graphics under love. I wonder if there was a way that I could see all of the free graphics versus the paid, like filter them. But if not, it's okay. So we're going to keep looking. So I'm just looking for some other things that I can possibly use in this, or something that catches my eye. So let's see. I didn't look at it. So okay, monthly $9.99 for the Pro. So I may stop this, sign up, and then come back, just because I feel like I need it. But I also want to show you guys how you can create something without it. So let's just go ahead and keep creating without it. Actually, this can actually work here. So I'm going to keep looking a little bit just to see if I can find any more. But I would really want to find like free. Well, I typed in free, so maybe that helped. Okay, so we have these hearts here. So doing that, typing in free with whatever you're looking for seemed to have helped. Why didn't I think of that in the beginning? Okay. So here I'm going to change the color. This looks like for a pinkish. So got the color. And how do I move it to, oh, here, move to background. There we go. So I put those hearts behind the true love. I'm gonna bring this in just a little bit. So I put it behind the true love. Let's see what else we have. So there's a lot of things on here though. I might actually start using this app. I guess people do sleep on it. But it looks really fun and easy to use. Okay, so that's like a super simple cover. I do want to tell you guys, it does not have to be complicated. So this would be the front and that would be the back. So I used one of the graphics that said True Love, and here I am with a few hearts in the back. You could either, you can duplicate this, I believe right there. Yep, you can duplicate it. You can put more hearts on this cover like that, like so, like that, like this, like so. What is it Tabitha Brown says? Yeah, you can add more. You can make them smaller. If you guys are like, oh my gosh, that cover is so plain, you can do stuff like that. Add more. Make them big, make them small. One thing I would say is this screen is super like touchy, like I'm afraid to do too much because it's like every time I touch something, it's almost like, don't do that. So I'm gonna do one more up at the top and maybe another small one to, ooh, can I go back? Yep. To fill in the space here. All right, so here you are. You have a cover that says True Love for Valentine's Day with a little all over print of hearts, and then you can export it here as a PNG, or I think you can do, okay, so here you can do a JPEG or a PNG to export it. But you know that in KDP, when you do like the JPEG, you have to use the cover creator. So I would say just download it as export it as a PNG, and let's just do this together because I don't want you all to get confused. So I'm going to go over to Canva and I am going to go ahead and create a design. I'm going to do the 12.55 by 92.5, and that is a 6 by 9, 120 pages. I'm going to upload my over project, and I forgot to name it. Don't forget that you can actually name it when you export it. So you can put here, True Love journal cover, and then download it. So I uploaded it here, and then all I do is spread it out on Canva. Now this is twice the work. I do understand that, but I wanted to be able to show you guys that you can move it from over quickly to Canva and make it a PDF if you don't want to use the upload, the KDP cover creator. So now you have that PDF of your file. So just wanted to show y'all that. And I do understand it's doing twice the work. But you can either download it as a JPEG or a PNG and upload it to Canva, or you can use the KDP cover creator. Okay, if there's another way out there, feel free to share it with me. I am going to get myself a little bit more familiar with Over, and I'm excited to bring you guys a few more videos using this software so it can give you guys more options when it comes to creating. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Made with Over, a journal cover series here that I'm starting on my channel. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.